doing this by yourself, it's not recommended. Welcome back, guys. The other week I've had my engine and transmission all done. It's all ready to go in, or most of it. I still got a few bits and bobs, but it can wait. For now, we've got a great weather, or at least better weather than it was before, so that means we can move outside and start working on the engine bay. So I think I'm gonna start with removing the bonnet and wings, and that should give me a nice access to all of the suspension and wiring as well. like to say that wasn't easy at all. The whole bit is extremely heavy, and doing this by yourself is well, not recommended. Nevertheless, I've got it out, so the engine bay is getting quite clear, quite empty now. I think the next step for me would be to remove everything from the inside before I do any wiring, because most of them are going inside through the firewall. The brake cylinder, for example, that's only removable from the inside anyways, and I think to unbolt that I need to take the dashboard out first. It would be the same for the aircon unit. From there I'm gonna be able to remove most of the wiring, but before any of that will happen, I'll need to organize myself some room around here. I'm thinking about renting some kind of a container or something like that, because with a suspension being here now, obviously there's going to be more bits coming in. I'm running out of space, you know, quite simply. So yeah, I need to deal with that. Then probably the seats, interior and all of that will go over there, as well as the hood, and yeah, and then we'll see what's gonna happen next. Anyways guys, that's it for this week. Thanks for watching. My name is David. I'll see you next